end up y'all sing sound better when you sing. I know, just a second, Jen. Hang on. I promise you to do it. Hands are up. Thumbs up, thumbs up.
Put it all around your nasties.
Okay.
Nesty.
Make your nesties. It's the notes, yeah. Ready? Ready again. Here we sing. Go to sleep, little bird. Go to sleep. Hands up. Keep singing that they fall all around your neck. You want to do the whole song on this?
It could do all.
Go to sleep. Sing it with me. Go to sleep now, little bird. Go to sleep now, rest you. This is weird. While the breezes gently flow all around your nest. Do it on move. Ready? Just this way. Move, 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 move. Ready? Move, 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 move. Zoo. Ready? Zoo. Zoo, 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 zoo. Blue. Blue, 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 blue. Crew. Crew, 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 crew. Zoo.
No, nothing toilet
Ready, Zoo. Thank you. Zoo, 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 zoo.
Sounds like you're saying
Zoo
instead of Sue again.
Sue, sorry. Let's do one final one.
Boo.
Boo. Yesterday we did.
Who?
Woo. W. W. Ready. Woo. 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 Do it if you like. Ready.
Wolf.
Woo. 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 Sing it, brother. Woo. 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 Sit down for a second. You told me last week that phrase was 5 notes, moving up again, up by steps or skips.
Both.
Everyone say 5 notes, moving up by step. Done my steps? Now, which two were closer together? Which notes sounded closer together? Stella.
The two right.
So in order,
rest-
third and fourth, second and third,
Wait, third. The third and fourth.
third and fourth. Everyone say third and fourth. So listen to that really carefully. And we call that a half step. I'm going to let you get a whiteboard in a second from the middle shelf when I call your birthday month, of course. And Miss Emma is going to be holding the markers over here.
I know
And you will get a marker, and then you're going to draw a picture of what you think that phrase looks like. Does that make sense? Those 5 notes, moving up by step, we get a half step. Where's the half step again? Between
the big, third and fourth.
third and fourth. Okay, so if your birthday's in May, 5 notes, moving up by step. Here, I'll hold that jar for you. You want to throw that purple one away? That one is out of luck.
We don't have erasers.
He's running away.
You use your hand.
No, but the
5
text
notes,
is both.
moving up. What does that phrase look like to you, the difference in pitches? You can draw your own picture. I see lots of good representations coming out already. I see stair steps. I see
Arrows, but
yeah,
you
6 total notes, but 5 different ones. I love it. Yes.
Miss Bain. Miss Bain.
Perfect. Let me see. Yes. Good. Go to sleep now, Rusty. Oh, nice. Very nice. Point to yours right now just to make sure it's matching. Ready, point. Go. Do you want to do words or Lou?
He said go to sleep
Lou,
now,
ready,
Rusty.
Lou. Lou. Oh, I was the only one singing. Sorry. Try it again. Lou. Nice. All right. Lou, nice.
Is it Miss Bain? Go to sleep now,
Now,
Rusty?
Resty.
Okay.
Good. Front row, if you would stand up and turn around, holding your,
Hi, camera.
yes, holding your
I'm good singer.
picture. Front row, stand up. Thank you. Everyone's singing, point to one of theirs. Look at one that you want to point to. Ready, here we go. Ready, point, blue. Good. Second row, you're up. Second row, stand up, please.
Wait, let me drum. Okay. It's people.
Point to one of the. Actually, stand. Second row, move up to the front real quick. Stand in the front.
Move up to the second row.
Second row, so they can see.
You guys are pissing your mouth.
Ready, point, blue. Nice. Third row, go up. Marcus, that doesn't quite look right now.
I believe we're fourth, but alright.
I'll see yours in a second. Ready, point to the third row, go. Blue. Oh, y'all can sing a little bit better than that. Here we go, ready, sing. Blue.